All of us come to art, but even life, with a series of expectations, and quite a lot of those expectations are put there by others. Part of the program is to challenge you, but also expand your horizons on what contemporary art can be and how you can implement different material processes in your project. The focus is very much about implementing a year-long sustained studio research project and being able to account for it in relation to other contemporary art movements. A lot of training in the contemporary art program is designed to get you to face your own expectations and hurdles. A big part of the Master of Contemporary Art practice is the idea of a group critique and one-to-one critiques. These can be surprising. They're not only designed to tell you you're fantastic, they're also designed to find gaps between your intentions and the result, and how to put some words to quite literally what's in front of you.